5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
इस समय आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं दो S-200 रॉकेट
Plus 5 seconds.
दोनों का प्रज्वलन हो गया है और उसने 640 टन वाले मार्क 3 रॉकेट नौगन को ऊपर की ओर लेके जा रहे हैं.
We have a liftoff. We have a liftoff. A perfectly normal liftoff.
Hello guys, welcome to All About Civil Services. On 22nd July, Indian Space Research Organization launched India's second lunar mission, Chandrayaan-2. Today we are going to discuss about Chandrayaan-2. As we know, Chandrayaan-2 is the second Indian lunar mission. It is the second Indian lunar mission. As a matter of fact, it is the first space mission to conduct a soft landing on Moon's south polar region. Not just Indian, but it is the world's first space mission Secondly, it is the first Indian expedition to attempt soft landing on lunar surface. And I'm saying it proudly that India is only the fourth country to ever soft land on lunar surface. Only the fourth country. Now, let's move to the components of Chandrayaan-2 mission. There are four important components of Chandrayaan-2. These are, first of all, the most important component is the launcher. Secondly, it is the orbiter. Third, lander. And the fourth one is rover. Here for Chandrayaan-2, the launcher is GSLV Mark III. It is a 3-stage cryogenic 4-ton category launcher. The orbital will orbit around the moon and it will relay the communication between Earth and the lander. The lander will send the information to the orbiter and the orbiter will relay the communication to the Earth observers. So it will relay communication. The third one is the lander. It has been named as Bikram after Bikram Sarabhai, the famous scientist. It will be on the moon for one lunar day or that is equal to 14 Earth days. Finally, the rover, it is named as Pragya, which means wisdom. It is a 6-wheeled AI powered vehicle. Now let's move to the payloads on Chandrayaan-2. The payloads will be used for scientific experiments. So there are more than 8 to 10 payloads, but I have listed only 6 payloads which are important for our requirement. The first one is Chandrayaan-2 Large Area Soft X-ray Spectrum. Spectrometer. It will be used to find out or to study the composition of moon. Second one is imaging IR spectrometer. It will be used for mineralogy mapping and water ice confirmation on moon surface. The third one is synthetic aperture radar. It will use L and S bands. It will be used for polar region mapping and subsurface water ice confirmation. The fourth one is orbiter high resolution camera. It will be present on the orbiter as the name states. It will be used for topography mapping of the moon. Fifth is Chandra surface thermophysical experiment. In short, it is known as CHEST. It will be used to check the thermal conductivity and temperature gradient of the moon. The final one is alpha particle X-ray spectrometer. And laser induced breakdown spectrometer. Spectroscope, I beg your pardon. It will be used for in situ elemental analysis. We have discussed 6 payloads, but all these payloads will be used to carry out 4 scientific experiments. These are topography analysis of the moon, composition analysis of the moon, it will carry out some in situ studies. In situ means on the moon. Experiments will be carried out on the moon. And the final one and the most important one is search for water. So basically it is going to carry out broadly four experiments. Now, aim and objective of this mission. The most important objective of Chandrayaan-2 lunar mission, it will be useful to study the history of the solar system. Scientists have proved that the moon and earth are made up of the same material. Moon provides the best linkage to early history. If we understand the origin and evolution of the moon, we will understand the origin and evolution of the earth, and as well as the origin and evolution of the solar system. So, the second important objective of Chandrayaan-2 is to trace back the origin and evolution of the moon. The third important objective of Chandrayaan-2 is to further study the evidence of water on moon that was discovered by Chandrayaan-1. The fourth objective or the aim of Chandrayaan-2 is to explore the lunar south pole. So these are broadly the 4 aims of Chandrayaan-2. Before ending the topic, let me give you some interesting facts about Chandrayaan-2 mission. It is India's second lunar journey, but it is the first ever interplanetary mission to be spearheaded by 2 women, Project Director M. Vanitha and Mission Director Ritu Kharidhal. If the video was helpful, please like the video, share it, and please subscribe to the channel. I'm leaving you with an animation of Chandrayaan-2. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.
We have ignition.